What damages are compensable or recoverable in a personal injury or car accident case? Well, in California, there are specific types of compensable things, right? We call them damages as lawyers speak, right? So damages basically different types of categories of things that California recognizes as things that you can be compensated for as a result of a injury accident. So what are they? Well, they're broken down into essentially two different types. You have your economic damages, then you have your non-economic damages, right? So let's talk about economic. So economic damages, like the name suggests, is medical expenses, wage loss, and certain out-of-pocket expenses associated with that accident, right? So very straightforward, right? Medical bills, maybe your health insurance bills, they get lumped into there. The wage loss of your employment records that you get from your work, or if you're a business owner, it's actually called profit loss, right? So your profit and loss statements, your tax returns, stuff like that, they all get thrown into this economic damages component of your case. Or you might have receipts, you might have credit card statements, you might have invoices for like medical devices you purchased or medication that you purchased. So those are out-of-pocket losses that you'd also throw into your economic damages pool. Okay, so those are very objective. You'll have some sort of piece of paper that defines what that is, right? The X amount, right? And they're all on bills and pieces of paper. But when you talk about the other type, non-economic damages, that's what you would call more subjective, right? So you're not going to have a piece of paper that tells you the X dollar figure of what the value of what your non-economic damages are. So non-economic damages are like, I'm sure you've heard of the term pain and suffering. That's what non-economic damages are, but it's actually broader than that. Pain and suffering is just the simple term that people hear all the time on, the news or, online, but really it's not only that, it's also inconvenience, grief, anxiety, loss of enjoyment of life, scarring, etc. It just goes on. It's a laundry list of different types of things that California recognizes as there is a value to that this person went through. So what I call the subjective experience of what this person went through as a result of this accident and the injuries, right? So the important thing there to understand is that there's not a piece of paper that tells you what the value of your non-economic damages are, but it is a real and recognized type of damages that you can be compensed for. It's just a matter of proving it.